The cross-border privacy rule system is a way of providing a mechanism for business to transfer information across borders, personal information across borders, in a way that provides protections for their customers. So it's saying that if you're giving your information to that business, then when they use that information, they're going to protect it in the way that they're required to do so. So it can apply to any particular kind of sector in the economy. I mean, it is a baseline as well, so there is still the point that some economies may wish to have stricter standards for some information in relation to some transactions, and that's something which is recognised by the privacy framework. So it works for business to make sure that their customers' information is secure and that their privacy is taken care of in the way that they promise that to their customers that they would do it. And then we need to recognise that there has to be some support for customers in that process too. So it's backed up by a cross-border privacy enforcement arrangement, for example, which is where the regulators can share information between themselves about cross-border privacy issues and also transfer complaints to the appropriate jurisdiction. So potentially a customer in Australia could then make a complaint to what's called an accountability agent. If that isn't resolved, they can then have their complaint dealt with by the regulator in the jurisdiction where the company is based. So given it's voluntary, it is an attempt to encourage engagement, and part of that is actually about giving information to your stakeholders as well. Japan's a great example of that. They've done a lot of work. Their regulator, the personal protection regulator in Japan, has done a lot of work in reaching out to businesses there, many seminars, thousands of attendees at those seminars in the past 12 months to get information on the cross-border privacy rule system and what it means for them. I think as it tends to grow further, you'll get more engagement from companies in those economies already taking part, and that should drive greater interest for other economies as well. And I think, for example, Singapore joining is a significant achievement for both Singapore but also for the success of the cross-border privacy rule system, given their central place in the region, and same with Chinese Taipei as well.